Hi, it's Annie from Thursday Pools. We'd like to tell you about some great reasons to become a Thursday Pools dealer. While there are tons of reasons, you don't have all day. So we've narrowed it down to our top 5. Reason number 5, our experience and expertise. We've been in the fiberglass business for more than 35 years. Over that time, we've learned a lot about the business, and we've put all that experience and expertise into every pool we build. We're constantly striving to set the standard for excellence and quality in the fiberglass pool industry. Reason number 4, our innovations. We relentlessly pursue innovation in the industry in order to make fiberglass pools easier to install and more efficient to maintain. That's driven us to create our patented geo-anchoring system, Lucky 7 skimmer, the patented backfill eliminator, our patented beach entry pool designs, and our sunken living area designs. Reason number 3, our designs, each of which are hand constructed in-house by master craftsmen. We strive to consistently produce designs that meet consumer demands, and that begins with feedback from our dealers. If you ask for it, we'll do our best to make it happen. We listen to what customers are asking for and craft our pools with those comments in mind. Reason number 2, our quality. Thursday Pools are built to last. As the industry's only ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified fiberglass pool manufacturer, we put in place strict processes and procedures that allow us to build the most elegantly crafted and durable fiberglass pools on the market today. Our unique 9 layers of composite strength mean no hassles for you and a lifetime of enjoyment for your customers. And the number 1 reason to become a Thursday Pools dealer, we're all about you. Our dealer support system is unmatched in the industry with creative marketing tools, product videos, virtual reality pool experiences, and a dealer care team that's ready to do whatever it takes to help you succeed. So there you have it. The top 5 reasons you should become a Thursday Pools dealer today. If you have any questions, reach out to us at thursdaypools.com.